Welcome to ValueCoders, where we explore the cutting edge of Industry 5.0. Today, we dive deep into the core of Industry 5.0, the indispensable role of information technology, or IT. At the heart of Industry 5.0 lies the Internet of Things, which interconnects devices and machines, providing real-time insights, and predictive maintenance prevents breakdowns. But that's just the beginning. Enter artificial intelligence and machine learning. It analyzes vast datasets, optimizes production processes, and ensures top-notch quality control. Next up, Augmented Reality, or AR. AR enhances employee training, simplifies complex tasks, and allows remote assistance. Cloud computing takes center stage. It securely stores massive data, powers real-time processing, and offers scalable solutions. Last but not least, big data analytics. It provides deep insights, predicts future trends, and drives continuous improvement. These technologies work in synergy, redefining manufacturing in Industry 5.0. At ValueCoders, we're here to help you harness the power of IT for enhanced efficiency and innovation. Join us in unlocking the full potential of Industry 5.0 at www.valuecoders.com.